Hey everybody, today we're diving into data protection world and giving you a view of i4Ops and the i4 Exfil product installation. i4 Exfil is not your typical data protection tool because it works below the network and security stack to manage data reads and writes, not requiring a rip and replace of your existing cyber tools. First, it starts with a simple approach of running in a Linux environment. You will need a Kubernetes environment and basic resources that match the size of project you are tackling. This demo is using an i7 Intel processor with 32 gigabytes of RAM. Nothing special, just an old system to show the install process. There are 4 steps to the process. Number 1, the pre-check. Number 2, preparing the Linux system. Number 3, inviting users. And number 4, implementing research activities. As we cover the steps, you will see an actual system running Ansible playbooks to simplify installation. Installation under an hour, usually under 30 minutes. Depending on your environment, it can be much faster. Let's start with a system pre-check. You now see the system going through a pre-check process. The process ends with a simple recap of the output. You will see a list with the following: OK, changed, unreachable, failed, skipped, rescued, and ignored. This gives a system readiness position for the installer. The installation process takes a few minutes. Your mileage will vary. During the install, a YAML file launches a simple GUI to give the project owner a list of users to invite. A number of tools will be installed, including a collection of open source tools, each playing a specific role in ensuring a secure and efficient workflow. Tailscale, a secure and private network between our devices. Single node cluster on K3 to orchestrate the different components. Nginx directs traffic and helps balance the load. Rancher, a user-friendly interface for managing our Kubernetes cluster. Longhorn, which provides reliable and scalable storage, as well as Helm, KubeVirt, browsers, Jupyter Notebook, VS Code, Chasm VNC server package. Now you can interact with the data, write code, visualize results, and manage data analysis and debugging. After the install process completes, the output will list username, password, and URL for each user invited to the environment. A simple copy and paste can be used to send an email. In our example, the password shows "can get in." At i4Ops, we are expecting 2 things to happen. Number 1, users will have existing VPN, IAM, or other credential checks before getting to i4Ops environments. Number 2, with a greater than 1,200% increase in recent phishing attacks, at some point, credentials will be stolen or compromised. So, our focus is to keep the data in, even when a user may not have good intentions. If you have questions, feel free to reach out to info@i4ops.com. Our team will be happy to work through questions and help with installation. Until the next video, we invite you to innovate fearlessly.